Welcome to our retirement, folks. Right, folks, I'm going to do Pat's, what is that?
Calf.
Calf. A calf and down to her feet.
I get cramp in that
She
leg.
gets cramp in her legs. So I'm going to go
Mainly that
turn
one.
it on. There it goes. That's on first setting. And I'm using side of it instead of tip, which is a bit gentler. And I'm going to go around muscle rather than, because she says it's very painful, does Pat. So instead of going right over the top of it, I'm going to go around it.
I think it might have eased off. I don't think
Yeah.
it's quite as painful as when you started.
So I'll go over the top of it now, yeah?
Yeah. Mm.
I'm not pressing on at all, just letting it glide over the top.
Yeah, that's quite good.
And we're getting a tutorial, you see, from this little...
We've been watching YouTube, Bob and Brad on YouTube, which is where this gun came from. Massage gun. And we've just been watching them. And he says
Much better.
pain in your feet can be attributed sometimes to this muscle here. So that's why we're doing this muscle.
I think that's enough. Go down there.
Alright?
Yeah.
And why are you doing your feet, Mum?
They're not as flexible as they used to be. And when I went to see a diabetic nurse, she said that the blood flow wasn't as good as it used to be. And she was going to send me to see a podiatrist, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Who does feet. But a fortnight later, I'm still waiting for a phone call or a text.
Oh,
about that.
that'll never happen.
No, I don't think so. So maybe this will help. If we keep doing this every now and again, it might help for next time I go to have my blood test for my diabetic. That's actually quite good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you got used to it?
Yeah.
I think you look like you're going to fall asleep.
Do I? Oh, that'd be nice.
Okay,
Thank
what about
you.
the other one? Is it just that one?
It's just that one that goes in cramp.
All
You
right.
might as well give that a do and all. Just to alleviate any.
What's it feeling like, this one? That one hurt.
A little bit, but when it gets down
When
to the
it
bottom.
gets down there.
Yeah. There. It doesn't hurt, it's just a bit uncomfortable. Yeah.
Just wonder if you can... Yeah.
Wow. You're getting a good look at my legs, folks. Not that they're very pretty. Because I have them little burst blood vessels at the bottom of my feet, don't I? On the
Yeah.
ankles. It's pretty good, actually. You can feel it moving inside. Yeah.
Mm.
Good. Thank you. I wonder how you would feel with that on your feet at the bottom.
Me?
Mm.
No, nobody can touch my feet.
And live.
And live.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, great. Thank you
Oh.
very much.
She's been cleaning that out,
Yeah,
haven't you, Pat?
I have, yeah. It gets like black mould on them and up at top on things.
We're talking about front, you know, not front loaders, top loaders. What? Twin tubs.
Twin tubs.
Twin
yeah.
tubs. Yeah. People commenting about remembering when they used twin tubs.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Yeah. When I made that kitchen unit, the twin tub was sort of underneath here, underneath the worktop, and I put hinges on the back of it so you could lift the worktop up and get to twin tub underneath. And what's going on through here, folks? Well, that's Tracy looking for summer. We're going to have the silicon done.
In it.
Oh, okay.
Only on these two edges. That edge is alright.
Right. Ernie.
You've got to take the door off.
Oh, what, the shower door?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, no.
he's almost got to take some off.
I know.
Not ever straightforward, is it?
Have I been rude?
No. I told her I couldn't do it.
You're just being Tracy.
No. I mean, at least it's you don't see it from outside.
No. That's...
This is not your skill, is it?
No.
Probably better than I could do.
And me.
I should have put masking tape on first. At least I got a straight line.
Ah, now it tells us. Morning, folks. As you see, things are a bit different this morning. Yeah, we unpacked the massager from Bob and Brad, and had a little go on with Pat. Unfortunately, the only thing that I've got wrong with me is my neck. I can't turn my head very far, and you can't use that machine on your neck. So, unfortunately, I don't know. Maybe if I do back of my shoulders at back here, I do them muscles at back here, might make a difference. I don't know, but we'll have to wait and see. So we don't really suffer with that kind of problem. Everything else, but not that. Anyway, David arrived this morning and he's just siliconing bath shower, so we can start to use it from now on if we want to. And that's really it for today. That's just a bit different today because Pat's in the bath. So we'll have a chat tomorrow. All right, folks. So take care. It's Pat's birthday today. She has her birthday day before our anniversary. So we've sent her a card and a message over WhatsApp or something. Can't think of anything else. Nothing. The people have come to this hole outside, this water leak outside front here. The water authority have come and dug road up, but they haven't found leak yet. They've dug where water's coming out of the road, but they're saying that's not where the leak is. So it's still running down the road is water. And apparently there's a lot of houses affected in Rodley. Got low water pressure as a result of it. So just waiting for that to be fixed. No, nothing else to report. It's still, the canal is still frozen, still freezing cold. So there we are. All right, folks. Well, we'll see you tomorrow and have a chat. Okay. Bye, everybody.